Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to stop Adobe Genuine Service Alert on Mac. If you have ever downloaded a cracked or torn version of Adobe software, you might still get these messages even after uninstalling it. This is due to recent changes Adobe has made. I'll show you a quick and easy way to remove this alert pop-up message so it is no longer available after you try this solution that I will give you in this video. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply click on anywhere inside your Mac just in order to make sure that you have these two options on the top left side appearing right here. The Mac or the Apple icon and the Finder word be highlighted like so. Now, after that, you want to go and click on Go, just right here. Then you want to go and click on Go to Folder. And after that, you want to type here this sentence /library /application support /. Then it will open this menu or this pop-out file explorer. You want to go and click on Adobe on the top left side. Then you want to delete all these files right here. After you delete all these files, you just have to drag them into your bin or recycle bins. Then you want to empty also the recycle bin in order to permanently delete them all. And now, in order to ensure that it doesn't appear or reappear again, click on the Learn More option in the pop-out. It will open a browser, then close the browser again. And this action should stop the pop-up message from showing up again. And that is it. If you find this video helpful to you, please consider like, subscribe, share this video to your friend that has this problem and wants to fix it. Thank you for watching and good listening, and see you in a new tutorial.